We gaze into the cosmic ocean and see wonders and terrors. Among the most feared are black holes, the universe's ultimate traps, regions of space-time so warped, so dense that nothing can escape their grasp, not even light. Imagine a cosmic vacuum cleaner relentlessly pulling everything towards its singular, infinitely dense heart. Their existence, once purely theoretical, is now confirmed. We've even photographed their silhouettes. But what if the universe has an opposite? What if for every cosmic drain there's a cosmic fountain? Albert Einstein's theory of general relativity allows for such an object, a white hole, a place where matter and light erupt, spewing forth into the universe. A source, not a sink. This concept of a white hole is profoundly strange. It challenges our everyday intuition about how things work. A white hole seems to be an object that can only give, never receive. It's like a movie of a black hole played in reverse. So why haven't we seen one? Are they merely a mathematical quirk, or are they so exotic, so fleeting, that they've eluded our most powerful telescopes? Join me as we explore this fascinating mind-bending possibility, the white hole. What exactly is a white hole, according to theoretical physics? Imagine a celestial object that behaves precisely opposite to a black hole. A white hole is a hypothetical region of space-time which cannot be entered from the outside. Instead, matter and light escape from it. It's a cosmic geyser, a source of energy and particles, erupting into the universe. The defining feature of a white hole is its event horizon, which works in reverse. For a white hole, the event horizon is a boundary that nothing from the outside can ever cross to reach its interior. This concept arises from the solutions to Einstein's field equations. Specifically, it emerges from the maximally extended Schwarzschild metric, describing an eternal black hole and its mirror image, the white hole. The connection between black holes and white holes is deeply intertwined with our understanding of time and the geometry of space-time. Imagine you have a film recording the life of a black hole and play it in reverse. The matter would appear to spew out from a central point. The event horizon would repel rather than attract. This, in essence, is the conceptual leap to a white hole. It's a black hole whose timeline is flipped. The equations that describe gravity don't inherently prefer one direction of time over another, so, if a solution allows for matter to fall into a singularity, it should also allow for matter to emerge from one. The geometry of space-time around a white hole is just as warped as around a black hole, but in the opposite sense. A black hole creates a deep gravitational well, a funnel into which everything is drawn. For a white hole, you can visualize this funnel inverted. Space-time flows outwards, pushing matter and energy away from its center. This outward flow is so powerful that nothing from the external universe can fight against it to enter the white hole's event horizon. It's a cosmic keep-out sign, enforced by the very fabric of reality. The sheer strangeness of white holes has made them fertile ground for some truly mind-bending theories. If they exist, what could they be? One idea is that white holes could be the other end of a wormhole, an Einstein-Rosen bridge. Imagine a black hole as an entrance to a tunnel through space-time. Could a white hole be the exit, perhaps in a distant part of our own universe, or even in another universe entirely? This idea of white holes as cosmic gateways is incredibly alluring. It opens up possibilities for interstellar or even interuniversal travel. However, the stability of such wormholes is a major theoretical hurdle. Most solutions suggest that any wormhole connecting a black hole to a white hole would be incredibly unstable. To keep such a wormhole open, you would likely need some form of exotic matter, something we've never observed. So, after all this exploration of mind-bending theory, where do we stand with white holes? The truth is, they remain firmly in the realm of the theoretical. Despite decades of searching and astronomical observation, we have no confirmed, direct evidence that white holes actually exist in our universe. They are beautiful mathematical constructs, allowed by Einstein's equations, but nature doesn't always realize every possibility that mathematics allows. The cosmos is under no obligation to make sense to us, or to be perfectly symmetrical in all its manifestations. The search, however, continues. Astronomers are constantly scanning the skies with increasingly sophisticated telescopes, looking for any unusual phenomena that might betray the presence of a white hole. What would we look for? Perhaps an isolated object suddenly appearing and spewing out vast amounts of matter and energy, with no prior star or galaxy at its location. Or maybe an unexplained intense burst of radiation that doesn't fit any known astrophysical models. The challenge is that such an event might be extremely rare, or very short-lived, making it incredibly difficult to detect among the universe's other dynamic processes. The implications of discovering a white hole would be nothing short of revolutionary for physics. Their existence would force us to rethink fundamental concepts like the arrow of time and the second law of thermodynamics. For now, white holes remain an enigma, a cosmic phantom haunting the equations of general relativity? Are they out there, hidden in the vast darkness, waiting to be discovered, or are they simply a beautiful mathematical possibility? The quest for white holes is a testament to our enduring desire to explore the cosmos and our place within it.